Let's go. Hello and good morning from day number 8. What a fantastic night here in Salt Lake City. I slept in a good hotel. This time I spent it a little more. And now I am on my way to get the motorcycle serviced. My bike has already over 5,500 miles, and you have to do service at 6,000. And I want to just make sure that everything's fine with the bike as well. The bike is perfect, but I want to make sure everything's fine, and also check if I need to change the tires. And here we are. Now let's see how long it will take these guys to help me out here. Let's see where the service is. Alright, good stuff. Let's see how it goes.
I brought my motorcycle to be serviced at Utah Power Sports, which, by the way, took me in without an appointment. They said they always had a ramp open for travelers. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. Since I'm here, I also got a new set of tires for the bike, so I'm excited to try them on.
Alright, well, 3 hours after, thank you guys for Bureau Sports. It was awesome. Thank you for taking care of the bike. Thank you for the new tires. The bike looks more badass than ever. And because I left in a bit of a hurry, I forgot to attach my Insta360. 3 hours and 29 minutes till my next destination. I am gonna see how far I can go, because the idea is to go as west as I can. I think I might be heading straight to a storm right in front of me. And the wind's definitely picked up a little bit. Alright, and I definitely jinxed it because it's starting to rain a little heavier right now. So, the best thing is that there is a rest area right here to the right. Okay, let's get the rain gear on ASAP. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo. New tires. I'm like, whew. That was a little scary. Holy crap. My god. Whew. Almost my pants right there. Woo. That was scary. Okay. Now we continue and on rain mode, going slower. And let's never do that again. Beautiful salt flats. Alright, let's go. And my dear viewers, we are in Nevada. I think we can tell because there are casinos everywhere. Massive casino right there. Alright, so Eli, or Ellie, I don't know, is 118 miles away. I think I'm gonna keep going, but we'll see. Let's get to Ellie, or Eli, and we'll decide. For now, let's enjoy this awesome landscape here of nothing but desert. Alright, Nevada, here we go! One more state for Betty! Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you for not tripping there with me. You are the best. Thank you for looking out for me. I love this motorcycle. So we're going in that direction, and it's pretty dark and wet. I mean, why isn't it just like that? Which is nice and sunny. Instead, I feel like I'm going towards the elephant cemetery, like in The Lion King. It's like Simba's kingdom here, elephant cemetery right here. Whoa! Lightning! This is full of surprises. Oh, okay, it's starting to rain now. Okay, here we go again. So Nevada welcomes us with some lightning and thunder. Thank you, Nevada. Oh, there is absolutely no way for me to stop and take shelter. So I just have to keep going. I am completely alone in this road. Okay, we're going in. We are going in. Oh, this is not necessarily too bad. I thought it was going to be way worse. Well, I think it helps that I don't have any cars in front of me. And now it got worse. God damn it, I keep jinxing it. Ugh. We should be out of this very soon. Or at least that's what it looks like. And that's it. The rain is over. I didn't get that wet. Well, the legs a little bit. It's still raining a little bit. That's so weird because it's clear. My God, I keep jinxing it. I'm not gonna say anything else. That's it. I'm gonna shut up. And what happens just happens. Well, I'm grateful I'm not going that way. Holy shit, that's scary. Well, that was refreshing.
There is a strange feeling when you pull a modern adventure bike to a place like this. This is the Shelburne Pony Express station. Over 160 years ago, riders faced extreme weather, lawlessness, and total isolation right here where I'm standing, just to keep the country connected. They were the original long-distance overland travelers. Getting a taste of that history out here in the Nevada desert is exactly why I love doing this.
This was a really cool stop. 39 minutes until Heli, and then we'll decide if we continue or if we stop. We shall see, but this was really cool. Wow. Alright, thank you for tuning in today. Great day. I'll see you tomorrow from California. Santana out.